Are you the type that still buy breakfast from the restaurant every morning? You need to stop because I have something yummy for you, something very easy and quick. Hello, creative bangers. Is another breakfast recipe. Now let's begin. I start by adding 2 eggs in a bowl. I added some honey. You can substitute honey with sugar if you wish, okay? I'm using milk. Now I'm going to add part of the milk. Go ahead, take your time and mix till everything is well combined. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, now after mixing together, you are going to move in with all-purpose flour. Be sure to sieve the flour before making use of it. Alright, to the flour, I'm going to add salt and cinnamon powder. If you don't like cinnamon, you can add any flavor of your choice, but trust me, cinnamon did justice to this recipe. Now I'll be adding the milk bit by bit as I mix till I form a smooth batter. Shout out to you, Precious, watching from Abuja, Nigeria. Adlia Lillian from Ghana. Victorine from Tobago. Selena, watching from Cameroon. And Aisha, all the way from Gambia. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? Alright, we are done mixing and we have a smooth batter as you can see on the video. Okay, set it aside. In a deep saucepan, drizzle some oil. If you don't have a pan that is deep, you can use a pot, a normal pot. All right, make sure that the oil is well distributed around the pan. Now you are going to add part of the batter. Make sure that the batter that you are going to left behind is bigger than the one that you added already. If you are with me at this moment, type I understand at the comment section. Alright, at this point, feel free to move in with any protein of your choice. I started with boiled seasoned chickens, shredded chickens. Now I move in with my choice of vegetables. I added fresh tomatoes, cucumbers, and shredded cabbage. Now, aside from the vegetables that I added, what other vegetable do you think that would be perfect for this recipe? Please let me know at the comment section, okay? No one knows it all. Now you are going to cover and allow to cook for about a minute. A minute later, we are going to add the remaining batter. Now, to know if it is ready, you will notice that it can move around the pot. Please do this on the lowest heat so that it will cook properly and it will not burn. Alright, it is time to move in with the remaining batter as you can see. Once I add the batter, we are going to cover again and allow to cook on low heat. Please don't use too much heat, okay? No rush, no rush. Cover and allow to cook. After 2 minutes, it is time to flip the other side to cook as well. Please pay attention. You are going to do this as quickly as possible, all right? Once you do that, you are going to arrange properly. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means they're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Please share this video to someone who needs to see it. Cover and allow to cook. Now, to know if it is ready, it will freely move around the pot as you can see, or with the help of a spatula, lift it. You will see that the down part of it is properly cooked. Go ahead and take it off the heat, transfer to your dish. At this point, you can go ahead and enjoy, all right? But you know your girl, we need to get it twisted a little bit. We are going to elevate the taste, okay? Now, I'm going to drizzle some sweet chili sauce. You can use ketchup if that's what you have. This part is totally optional, all right? Once that is done, I am going to move in with extra cabbage for extra crunchy. If you are with me at this moment, type extra crunchy at the comment section. Once that is done, go ahead and portion. All right. Once that is done, we need a little more decoration to give it more appetizing look. Now I'm moving with extra cucumber and fresh tomatoes. Look at that. Oh my word, it turned out so well. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Just look at that. This breakfast is super yummy. It tasted so good. It doesn't take time to prepare. This gets ready within 5 to 6 minutes, trust me. Go ahead and enjoy with your favorite drink. I had this with coffee. It was super delicious. I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Don't buy breakfast again from the restaurant. Try this Lady C breakfast recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.